Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Specter Pet and grow a garden, and I will also be showing you guys its abilities. So you can get it from the Halloween merchant. It's going to only be available for another 16 hours, and it's going to poof, be gone forever. So make sure if you want it, you get it now. So basically, it is the Specter Pet here that I am holding. Its abilities is that every 13 minutes haunts a random fruit and has a 25% chance to mutate it with vamp, or rare chance for spooky, or even rarer chance for the mutation to be ghostly. So I will put that in my garden. I do need those mutations on my plants. So yeah, and it cost 31,300,000 shekels. Here's where you can obtain it, the Specter here. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!